South Wisconsin Family Fishing Channel. Glad you could join us. We're out here today. It's a nice 75 degrees. We got a little bit of wind, maybe about 14 miles per hour. Pressure's dropping right now. It should be pretty good for fish. So we're out here. We're going to try to catch some walleye, possibly sturgeon for you. So again, if you haven't, please like and subscribe to the channel. It appreciates a lot for us. This is Dusty.
Hi.
And this is Dawson.
Hi.
And we just want to say welcome. Now let's catch some fish. It's a sturgeon.
Lake sturgeon.
You can see where you need to fit it in the camera.
Beautiful fish.
Show its face. Say what it is.
Lake sturgeon. Oh, great.
Watch it.
Fish on. It's pretty heavy. He's a fighter too. Might be a walleye or a sturgeon. Oh, he's pretty. He is pretty heavy. I think it might be a sturgeon. Unless this is a really big walleye. Oh, nope, sturgeon. Got him. Sturgeon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. There he goes.
Gotcha.
Got him. Shannon with his first fish of the day.
Not a very big fish, but it'll do.
Hey, a fish is a fish.
Wow. Sheepshead, better known as a freshwater drum. Beautiful fish. Look at her, he's saying hey. Another happy customer. Come on, buddy.
Gotcha.
Go.
Okay. I think I may have gotten another sturgeon. Feels like a sturgeon. Smaller one. Yep. sturgeon, just a baby. These are very sharp when they are babies as well.
So what do you guys think? Post in the comment. Is this a lake sturgeon or is this a shovel nose sturgeon? Look at the nose, look at the tail. What do you think? Or is it just a baby lake sturgeon? Post in the comments.
That was awesome. Fish on.
And she's got another one. I'm telling you, sometimes you got it, sometimes you don't, apparently.
Oh, this one feels big.
Apparently it's a big fish, so we'll see what it is.
He's fighting. It feels like a sturgeon. Sturgeon. Man, I really like getting into that line.
Damn, that's a nice one.
Look at that sturgeon. A beautiful creature. What do you guys think? Lake sturgeon or shovel nose?
Oh, that's definitely a lake.
Let her go. Oh.
Nice.
There's the walleye.
Oh, finally got one. Look at this walleye. Look at the teeth on those things. Beautiful fish. Beautiful walleye. They gotta be 15 inches though. This one is maybe 15, but I like to keep them when they're like bigger. See you later, buddy. So for some of you people that don't know, where we're at today, this is a spot where in 2008 there was a bunch of rain and flooding, and what happened was Lake Delton kind of overflowed and it broke through and drained into the river here. They rebuilt the levee now, and we always come down here because it's kind of a secluded place. This is a really good sturgeon hot spot, and we catch walleye over here. So if you're ever in the Wisconsin Dells area, or if you're a local, come down here and just check it out. I mean, there's always really good luck here. So just wanted to give you that tip. All right, never mind. He's on. Nail him. There you go.
Oh,
Ouch.
he's a big one.
That's what she said.
Oh wow, he's heavy. Yeah. Definitely a sturgeon. Sturgeon. Look at that beauty. Absolutely beautiful. I'd say about 20-25 inches. Let her go.
Gotcha. Oh, you're a head shaker. What are you? Well, what do you know? Drum, drum.
Drum.
Oh, he's a nice size. Nice size fish. Pretty good size sheep's head or drum. What do you think about these? Is there any recipes for this? If so, comment please, because I like these fish, but I just don't know if you can eat them. Stay tuned for some more fishing. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Gotcha. Oh my lord, this one's taking line. This one's heavy. Oh, I think I snagged him. Oh, nope. Maybe.
Sturgeon fishing at its finest.
Another beautiful specimen. Beautiful sturgeon. I'd say about 5 pounds. 27-28 inches. Beautiful. Let's let him go.
I thought that was the fish too.
It could be a catfish. Could be.
We'll never know. We'll see what it is when she gets it up.
It could be a gar, it could be a catfish, it could be a sturgeon.
Whatever it is, it's big.
Oh, that's a sturgeon. It's a big one. Incredible.
I can't get away.
Go down and grab him by the tail. Right behind you. Good job. That's awesome. Well, it's getting about that time, so we're going to be wrapping up, but thanks for joining us today on this great sturgeon adventure. You can see the ducks in the background. They've been hanging out with us all day, giving them a minnow here and there. Anyways, sturgeon are still on fire right now, so if you get a chance, get out here. Definitely the night crawlers. So remember, keep your lines tight, and thanks again. Remember to subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. Have a good day.